Hello, in this video we will show pictures of birds. Guess what cartoon this bird is from. Write comments and subscribe to our channel where there are many interesting quizzes. Little chicken.
Forget the whole sky falling thing once and for all. Whoa. And then my dad will finally have a reason to be proud of me.
Time out!
The Lion King.
Cheetahs never prosper.
Okay, settle off the ground, right? Yeah.
What's going on?
A pouncing lesson.
Oh, very good. Pouncing. Pouncing? Oh, no, sire, you can't be serious.
Madagascar.
What? Cancel our improv class.
Yes, sir.
Rico, Equipify.
Hey.
Private, do that little thing I like. It's still funny.
Skipper, good news.
Strokes.
I ran into every piece of glass, some more than once. Oh, jeez.
Finding Nemo.
Hey, Nigel.
What did I miss? Am I late?
Root canal, and it's a doozy.
Root canal, huh? What did he use to open?
Gator Glidden
He's been favouring that secondary portal terminus.
Happy food.
Come on my feet.
Balto.
Wait till I let you talk me into these things.
Angry Birds.
Wasn't expecting this.
Well, hold on a second. That guy's the king?
Ice Age.
Taekwondo's! Attack!
Surf's Up.
That is funny.
Valiant. Rio.
Okay, you're right.
Yes, I am.
This is for Linda.
Right.
Keep it simple.
Easy breezy.
Thrust, lift, drag.
Oh, come on, let's go. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside.
Vault.
Hey, buddy, relax. Like this. Turn and pull. Turn and pull. Forget about it. You'll be out in no time.
Aladdin.
You got a problem, Pinky? Jerk. Boy, Jafar's gonna...
Zambezi.
Tell it when I see it.
You made the cut, rookie. You can be proud to be a hurricane trainee.
Spice in Disguise.
Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Darkwing. Pororo the Little Penguin.
Huh? Hello. I'm Pororo. turtle.
DuckTales. Chilly Willy.
Eager members. And my 100% patented compatibility.
See you again.